Okay, so I want to introduce chelation. Before we talk about chelation, in our previous video we looked at these three different coordination complexes. And I want to highlight that all of these coordination compounds involve what's called a monodentate ligand. Monodentate ligand. What that means is that mono meaning one, each ligand is coordinating the metal through one ligand atom, right? So here we have ammonia, it's coordinating through one ligand atom, which is nitrogen, right? One atom coordinating here. For this compound or this coordination complex here, it's coordinating one ligand atom, which is the oxygen. Now with chelation, this is the case when we have a ligand that can coordinate the central metal ion atom through two or more atoms, through two or more ligand atoms. So here's an example. We have ethylene diamine. So notice there's two nitrogens in this molecule that have an electron pair, right, that can be donated. So this one ligand can coordinate one metal atom through both of these nitrogen atoms. So ethylene diamine is called a bidentate ligand, bi meaning two, right? Two atoms of this one ligand can coordinate a metal. So here's an example of that, right? This is one ethylene diamine molecule coordinating cobalt through two nitrogens. We have another one. So in this coordination complex, we actually have three different ethylene diamine molecules coordinating cobalt. But if we look at each single ligand, it's coordinating through two atoms. So that is why it's called a bidentate ligand. This interaction between a metal and ligand, where the ligand is coordinating the metal atom through two or more atoms, is called chelation. It's called chelation. It's called chelation. So the chelate is the ethylene diamine ligand. We call it a chelate, right? And when it coordinates this cobalt ion, it forms an interaction called chelation. Here's another example. We have a single heme ligand and it chelates iron through four of its atoms, four different nitrogen atoms on the same ligand. So this ligand is called a tetradentate ligand, tetra meaning four. And another example. Platinum is our central metal atom, and each of the ligand molecules are coordinating platinum through two ligand atoms, both oxygen and nitrogen, that's shown here in red. So this is another bidentate ligand or chelate. So main takeaway here, chelation has to do with ligand molecules that can coordinate a single metal atom through two or more ligand atoms. If it's coordinating a metal atom through one ligand atom, it's monodentate. And then two or more, right, it's based on the prefixes. So bidentate meaning two, tri, three, tetra, four, and so on.